guys, welcome back to my channel. Excuse my nails, they look a mess. Just forgive me. Today is day 7 of my Christmas makeup extravaganza. Okay. And I really like this look. It's cute. It's subtle. Like the rest of my looks have been like colorful, like not for the faint of heart. But this one is pretty cute. This one's pretty cute. I like it. Don't forget to subscribe and join the team if you haven't already, because I will not stop putting out videos. I got some ideas in the works, actually, and they do not involve makeup. I've actually had these ideas. It just kind of, like when you're trying to create content, there is like a whole behind the scenes that goes in it. So I'm just working on behind the scenes of it. Okay, so if you want to see how I got this look, how I created this beautiful look, then keep watching. Y'all might hear my husband in the back. He's kind of passionate about everything. So he gets kind of excited when he's on the phone. Like he's a kid, he gets excited. You just might hear something, that's him. In today's look, I will be using this palette, the Sultry palette. This right here is cute. Like, I can't even front. It's cute. It's cute. I think it looks good on me. I think today I'm gonna actually do like, wait, why am I doing an intro? It's not time. Okay, we're just gonna get straight into the eyes. How about that? Okay, let me prime the lid. I'm gonna be priming the lid with the NYX. This one is Skin Tone, the eyeshadow based Skin Tone. Okay, first we're gonna get our little fluffy. This is my favorite little brush, which I need more brushes like this. First shade I'm gonna get into is Fresh, the lightest shade in this palette. I'm just gonna put it all over. Got a little something there. Next, we're gonna go into, I don't know if it's Birch or Burke. The second lightest shade. You see it's slowly getting like a little bit of dimension. Next, we're gonna go with Twig. Next, we're gonna go with the dystopian. Now we're gonna go in with the black, just like a little drop of black, and just stay right in the corner. Okay, now I'm gonna take my little flat brush and wet it. Then I'm gonna go in with rose quartz. And then with pearl in the very front. Eyeliner is next. I'm gonna use my pencil. I always use the Epic liner. Eyeliner. Put black at the top, and then I'm gonna do dark brown down here. Now I couldn't find, let me look. I don't think I had any brown eyeliner, so I just used this brown brow pencil that I had because why not? I'm gonna go in the corner with this black eyeshadow. Just gonna fade it out for the rest of the way here. Then I'm gonna do the dark brown under that. And then the lightest shade. Voila. And that's how you do that right there. I'll do black mascara. We're gonna do my face. How about that? The e.l.f. primer. Next is the foundation. The e.l.f. Flawless Finish. With this foundation, hold on, let me see if I can find my regular sponge. Or maybe I can I am not feeling this sponge. It's not doing right. See, you can see the difference in my hairline and concealer, and this is the hardest part. Like, sitting there trying to pat in all the little bitty concealer. But I'm gonna do it for the tube. Do it for the tube. Do it for the tube. That sounds like X-rated. I'm gonna do it for the tube. Alright, just a little bit. One at a time because I don't go that fast and I don't want, you know, it to dry on me. Other side. See, it didn't even need that much. See, I just needed a drop. Oh, that looked like too much. Okay, let's go on and set that with our powder, our coaty powder. Let that bake while we prime the rest. While we set the rest of our face. Could do some contour on my nose. I'm gonna use the KKW contour. No, I don't think that's gonna do it. Let's find a brush. Okay, I'm gonna use a little fluffy duffy. Woke up in time to get ready to go, buddy? You coming with me or you staying?
Coming.
Check. I'll let you know when I'm done with this, buddy. We'll get you dressed.
And then we're gonna go. Go.
Yeah, big man's got speech, so. Okay, we'll wipe the powder off my face, huh? So we're gonna bronze. Okay, for the highlight, the Northern Lights, and I think I'm gonna use Anchorage for the highlight. I have a Jeffree Star Deceased. I don't know if I'm feeling that. I don't know if I'm feeling that. Let's set this face, honey. This is just the Maybelline Master Fix. This is a matte. No, stop. This is the final look. I hope you guys love it, just like I do. I normally do the bright looks, but I'm not mad at this. I like it. It looks pretty good. I did a good job. Like, comment, share. Don't forget to subscribe and join the team. But he's watching me. Him so handsome. I will see you in the next video.